My name is Sapna Lekcha. I had to undergo bilateral knee surgery for which I needed a personal attendant to take care of me post-surgery. So I approached to Seva Society through Nazia, and they recommended me Pratibha Kumari. She stayed with me for almost for 2.5 months, and she was very helpful. She was very responsible, and she went out of her way to help me. I'm extremely satisfied with her services, and today she's parting with me for her future jobs. So I wish her all the best for her future career.